Welcome back, guys. Scott with Whiskey Curious. Today we're going to do something that I've done a little bit before. We're going to do a blend of 3 different whiskeys. Today we have the Cataleja Restoration Rye, the Balcones Cataleja, and the Balcones True Blue Cask Strength. That's a store pick from Total Wine out of Texas. All right, let's start with the Cataleja. That is their Balcones' 15-year anniversary. It's a single malt, and man, it is fantastic. Deep, rich molasses, leather. Oh man, it smells good with that Golden Promise barley. Oh, it is rich and spicy. Sweet brown sugars. Oh, it's like a nutmeg or a cinnamon. Now let's go to the cask strength of the True Blue. That's 100% blue roasted corn. Ooh. Oh man, that's rich. That corn coming off it is popping. Not popcorn though. Oh, that's chocolate. Dusty chocolate. Texas heat will do something to a whiskey. That is something you can sit and drink all night long. Now for the Cataleja Restoration Rye. I'm not getting much of anything coming off those 2 higher proof whiskeys. This one's still pretty high at 56% ABV. That's a spicy meatball right there. Herbal, medicinal. A little sweetness in there. Almost like a Christmas candy. Oh, that's good stuff. All right, so let's take our True Blue. Use that as our base. Add some of this Restoration Rye. And now let's go with some of this Cataleja. That malted barley single malt. Man, that thing just got darker and richer. Look at that. That is beautiful right there. Nice dark amber. But that's beautiful. That is mighty fine. Getting all 3 of them together just rounded off any rough edges that were in there. There were a few spiky ones, especially from that Restoration Rye. It had some real spiky notes on there. But that just kind of balanced everything out with the corn and the barley. That is absolutely spot on delicious. All right, guys. Like for more. We'll see you next time. Stay curious.